my name is Savannah from the blog Classy Clutter, and welcome to my family room. We recently converted our dining room into our family room. The reason for that is when we were redoing our kitchen, we wanted our family room space to be right off of the kitchen, and so that is the reason why we basically swapped our dining room to from our family room, and we have loved it in this space. We have done built-ins in here. We have made this area right in here perfect for our family, and this is where we spend the very most of our time. I got this beautiful new sofa from Article. One thing that I love so much about this sofa is the color just adds really great depth and richness in here, and it just adds so much character. I also love that it has a chase. We couldn't fit a full sectional in this space because of just the layout of how this room works and how it all flows, so this has been a perfect solution to that issue. We've been able to get the comfiness of a sectional with having the chase, but also the compactness of a regular sofa. When I got the sofa, I knew that I needed to change up the pillows. This beautiful fur pillow and also this mustardy gold pillow that has like a really great velvet, has great piping, and has great lines. Now, when you are pairing or when you're picking out pillows, be mindful of the size and also the texture and the color and all of that. So when I wanted to add a little bit more color in here, besides obviously just the sofa, I thought that this gold color would be the perfect complement to this really pretty like blue tealy green color, and I really do just think that it looks really great with the sofa. So when you're pairing up these pillows, I wanted to have like a fur that has a lot of different texture, and then more of a solid pillow with this one because I have a lot going on in this space with the floral artwork and everything else, and the rug. This has been my perfect pillow pair